Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we are going to be using the Case CX15 mini excavator to do a bit of landscaping work. Now, around this kind of time in the year, we would be hoping to use our snow fleet for a bit of snow clearance. However, if you live in the UK, you'll know that we've had no snow whatsoever. And if you pan around to outside, you can see everything's getting a bit greener and there's actually sun. Also in this picture, you'll notice that massive bit of roots, which that is the underside of our Christmas tree roots, which we did start digging out with the mini excavator in a video before until Dad broke it. But off camera we finished digging that out and we didn't have any more problems with the digger. So what I'm going to do now is we'll take this out of the workshop and we'll head around to where we'll be working today. Not sure how windy it'll be when we get round there because it is quite a windy day at the moment. So I'll explain what we're going to be doing now. Having just finished all of our hedges before the end of February, we discovered a ditch that needs digging on the edge of the field, and also we need to do some levelling from where the ground was under the hedge because we took it back a decent amount, so that needs levelling out to be the height of everything else. And our excavator only has single speed tracking, so it could take us quite a while to get round there. But we'll see you around there. Now, and we've changed the bucket. The first job is just clearing out this drainage ditch here, which is built up quite a lot where the hedge had built up. The hedge actually came out to here before we trimmed it relatively recently and took it all the way back to about here, which is where we want it. So we're going to try and clear all of the muck out of that ditch. We've dug that ditch part 3 now, and that drainage system should now work much better. And what we've started to do is drag some of the bank down and take a bit off the bank so that we can get closer to the hedge when we're mowing the grass, so that the hedge can't come out again like it did before to about here, simply because we couldn't get up to it to mow the grass. Now what we're going to do is keep moving the digger along and keep taking more of the bank here and pulling it down and levelling it. Not sure how much of this you'll be able to see on camera, but we've roughly levelled this area out now. And if we have a bit of a walk along, you can see there's more of a bit of a gradual gradient going towards the bank and then up to the bank where the actual hedge plants are. Now we have a bit more of this to do down the other end of the field, near to where one of my sister's trail cameras is. So we'll have to go down there and do a bit of this down there and try not to wave at her camera too much. We've pretty much finished this bit here now, and we did effectively what we did up there at the other end of the field that you can kind of see in the distance. Not fully sure how much of this you can see very well on camera. It's also getting quite cold and windy, so I hope you can still hear me. Tucked back in the workshop now, and we did actually take around our big ditch digging bucket, but we didn't actually use it in the end because we have quite heavy clay soil and it was wetter than we anticipated, so this wouldn't have been much use compared to the other bucket, which the teeth were very helpful for digging away the banks. What we probably should have done was take around one of our bigger buckets with 3 teeth on. That probably would have made the job a bit quicker, but I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Something a bit different from the usual tractor project. But that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.